Hey there, how do you do a countdown in After Effects? Well, it's actually pretty easy. We have a composition here and I have some text on there because it's amusing. I'm going to grab a text tool and throw it in here. I'm going to get some text on screen. It doesn't matter what this is because we're about to override it with code. Over here in the code section, in the animation section, in your keyframe section down here, we can drop that down and we find text. Then we find source text. We want to alt-click. Alt-click. Hold down Alt and hit that stopwatch. That's going to open up the little code section and put in this code. What I'm going to put it on screen so you can read it a little better in a second. And you can see the countdown works, but I will put that code on screen. There's the code. Let's do a new comp, and I'm going to give you that code. And I will also put this code into the description of the video. What you want to do is to go ahead and edit this one, ST, that means starting time at 164. That's going to be your count time in seconds, okay? So if I want to change this to be longer, all I'd have to do is go back in here and we can add 164. So we're going to add 4 more seconds, 168 seconds, and we'll see that now it says 248. Look at that. Isn't that easy? It's so easy you could even, I don't know, hit a thumbs up button on a video. Bye now.